Here at Go Displays, we've been offering exhibition solutions for now over 40 years, with the small portable displays right through to the turnkey stand solutions. We as a company love the Xanita Board and its eco properties. It's lightweight, it's flexible, and the board lends itself to different manufacturing techniques. We can be so creative with the assurance that the products are not going to affect the environment or compromising on our quality. The flexibility of the board lets us push boundaries to achieve high-level solutions that more conventional products just won't let us achieve. The Xanita credentials are second to none. The quality, the strength, it just goes hand in hand and makes our installation team present a solution that's exactly what our customers are wanting. We have a eco display vision where we want to make sure that we're achieving exactly what our customers are requiring, but on the same note, we're not damaging the planet and we're making sure that we are managing our carbon footprint. Antalis have been absolutely amazing in their support to us, and it's been really an eye-opener to work with a company that's so dedicated on the customer service level, that works directly with us hand in hand with Xanita to achieve these solutions that otherwise we wouldn't be able to put forward to our customers.